Conscious and subconscious mind. The human mind is primarily divided into two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, also referred to as the expressed mind and the unexpressed mind. The concept of the conscious mind was popularized most notably by Sigmund Freud. The conscious mind constitutes only 10% of our mental activity. It is through this mind that we think, understand, and speak actions of which we are aware. How to program our subconscious mind. If we specifically activate our subconscious mind, nothing remains impossible in our life. We can shape it according to our desires through certain processes. Examples of the subconscious mind. To understand the concept of the subconscious mind, we can use the example of an iceberg floating in the ocean. Just as the conscious mind asks questions, becomes agitated, and makes decisions through reasoning, the subconscious mind functions similarly. It acts like a storage room, collecting our experiences, thoughts, and perceptions, and operates automatically based on these stored experiences. Always stay away from negativity. As mentioned earlier, the conscious mind thinks, understands, and then makes decisions. But the subconscious mind, it makes decisions based on past experiences and functions automatically. Therefore, never engage in negative self-talk with your subconscious mind, as it takes such thoughts as reality and tries to turn them into actual outcomes. Negativity here means continuously thinking negatively about oneself, such as believing, "This is not possible for me, this task is not going to be completed easily," or "This work is too difficult, and I will never be able to do it." When such thoughts persist, our subconscious mind begins to accept them as truth, and soon, the results start reflecting that belief. Hence, avoid giving negative suggestions to your subconscious mind as much as possible. Accept the power of the subconscious mind. To properly program your subconscious mind, it is crucial to have full confidence in its existence and to understand its power. If you consider it merely as an experiment or doubt the existence of the subconscious mind, then change becomes impossible within it. Powerful subconscious mind exercises that empower your subconscious mind. These exercises not only help you understand the capacity of your subconscious mind, but also allow you to transform your life. The human brain is truly like a maze. The more you explore it, the deeper it becomes. Within its depths lie opportunities capable of taking your life to a whole new dimension. Our consciousness and reasoning dominate our daily life. Well, beyond all this, our subconscious mind holds opportunities capable of transforming our lives. The subconscious mind has the ability to turn our imagination into reality. The more creative you think, the better you understand your inner potential. Use of visualization. Using your imagination is one of the best and most effective subconscious mind exercises, making you more creative. You can overcome mental obstacles and delve into the subconscious realm by merely using your imagination. This practice is known as visualization. Visualization is simple. You practice creating vivid mental images of the things you desire. You see yourself achieving your goals and experiencing the results you wish to manifest. When you visualize your aspirations and goals with clarity, you connect deeply with your subconscious mind. Practice meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness practices also enhance your subconscious mind. Meditation helps you stay focused, while mindfulness keeps you in the present and allows you to plan with better thinking. The more you separate yourself from external chaos and dive within, the better you understand yourself and progress. Meditation is one of the best subconscious mind exercises and is very easy to practice. By practicing regular meditation, you quickly gain better control over your thoughts, which strengthens your subconscious mind. Analyze and interpret your dreams. Dreams reveal a lot about us. They provide information about both our present and future that we may have been ignoring. Dreams are considered the gateway to our subconscious mind. If you repeatedly have dreams related to the same event, understand that your subconscious mind is trying to tell you something. Start understanding your dreams so that you can better comprehend the difficulties you are currently facing. Dream interpretation is one of the subconscious mind exercises that helps you understand your subconscious mind and improve yourself. Dreams reflect your fears, emotions, and hidden desires. If you are ignoring them, your subconscious mind makes you aware of them through dreams. Release negative emotions. Emotions play a significant role in your subconscious mind programming. If you are filled with negative emotions, they affect your personal growth. Suppressed desires gradually begin to affect the subconscious mind at a harmful level and prevent you from moving forward. Working on your emotions is a subconscious mind exercise that helps you detach from negative emotions. Through healing, you can get rid of such blocks. Additionally, practices like journaling, therapy, energy work, contemplation, and meditation help you understand and heal your emotions. Practice awareness and self-observation. Have you ever observed yourself? Have you tried to evaluate yourself or understand your limits and strengths? Awareness and self-analysis help you understand yourself better. Through this, you can better grasp your capabilities because it helps you understand how well you can accomplish a task. Pay full attention to your thoughts, emotions, and behavior. By doing so, you will start noticing your subconscious patterns. This is a very easy subconscious mind exercise, but its results can surprise you. It helps you understand what serves you and what needs to be changed. You'll find it easier to understand what is beneficial for you and what you should let go of. Subconscious mind exercises and unlock new opportunities. Conclusion. Your subconscious mind can turn your imagination into reality. Whatever you think can become real only when you understand your subconscious mind. The conscious mind keeps you entangled in thoughts. You weigh every task with logic, making it difficult to complete at times. On the other hand, through subconscious mind exercises, you improve yourself, making it easier to overcome any difficulty. Whatever you think works for you because your subconscious mind works behind it, whether you are awake or asleep. The conscious mind is limited to your limits, while the subconscious mind works on your thoughts. To know yourself, keep testing yourself, as this will help you understand your potential, shortcomings, and strengths. The subconscious mind exercises shared here program your subconscious mind, enabling you to achieve everything you once thought impossible.